Guys, is your Windows 11 PC running slow? Today I will show you how to delete cache files in Windows 11 to speed off your device instantly, safely and easily. First method, you have to delete temporary files. Press Windows plus I from the keyboard to open the setting. And here, go to the system. Scroll down, click the storage. And here you can find our temp files. Just click the temp files. Here is the temporal file. Select all. Then after click the remove. Click continue. Hence you can delete the temporary files very easily. Now method 2 is that you have to clear run cache files. Press Windows plus R from the keyboard, type %temp. And % here again, hit enter. Press Ctrl I to select all and shift delete. Again press Windows plus R, type recent, RECENT, recent here, hit enter, press Ctrl A and press shift delete. Now next is PREFETCS, prefetch. Enter, Ctrl A and shift delete. Hence you can delete the cache file from your computer. Now next is the disk cleanup. Press Windows plus R from the keyboard, type disk cleanup here or type clean mgr, hit enter. Then check all the boxes and click OK and click delete the temporary files. Okay guys, these are the very easiest way to clean the temporary files from your computer which you do not need, and after deleting all the temporary files, your computer will be faster than older. Okay guys, this video really helped you. Then don't forget to share, comment, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.